Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom Windows account for users in Zotac Gaming handheld. To do this, first we'll need to click on Start, navigate to the settings, then open the accounts and scroll down, look for other users. Here you'll be able to add account. Now, if you want, you can log in with a Microsoft account for that user. If not, you can click on I don't have this person sign in information. Then you can create account. If you still don't want it, you can click on add user without Microsoft account. Now you can enter name for that account. Also enter a password. If you want that user without any password, then just leave the lines empty and click on next. And here's our account created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.